everyone, and welcome back to another yoga session with me, Agatha. Are you longing and wishing to have more flexibility in your legs? If so, this is the perfect practice for you. So grab yourself a mat, get ready, let's get started. Okay, for this practice, we're going to start lying down on your back. Legs are nice and straight. Arms are down by your side. Let's take 3 nice deep breaths, filling the chest first, then bring the air down into your belly. Exhale, empty the belly, empty the chest. Again, inhale. And exhale fully. Last time, inhale. And exhale fully. Good. When we contract a muscle, we release a muscle. So given that the focus here is the posterior chain, so the back of your body, back of the legs, later we're going to be working the front of the body as well to stretch the lower half of our bodies today. But let's start by just engaging all these muscles. And you can do that by actively starting by pressing your heels into the mat. Okay, then your calves, the thighs, buttocks, upper back, even the head and the arms. And just let all that contract for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then release everything. Again, take a nice inhale. As you exhale, start to press the heels, calves, thighs, buttocks, the upper back, the shoulders, the arms, the head. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then release everything. One last time, take a nice inhale. Exhale, pressing into the mat, heels, calves, thighs, buttocks, back, arms, head. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then release everything. It should already start to feel pretty nice. Now let's go ahead and mobilize the body and the legs a little bit more. As you inhale, lift the arms up and back. Exhale, we're going to pull one knee in towards the chest, flexing both feet, stretching through the opposite leg, keeping the back of the neck nice and long. Inhale, arms reach back. Exhale, we're pulling the other leg in towards the chest. Let's repeat this a couple more times. Inhale, arms reach back. Exhale, pulling the knee in towards the chest, reaching through the opposite leg, shoulders pulling down in your back. Inhale, arms reach back. Exhale, pull the knee into the chest. Last time, inhale, reach back. And exhale, pull in. Last one here, inhale, reach back. And exhale, pull in. Good. Inhale, reach back. Exhale, bring the arms down by your side. Okay, now turn yourself to the side. Come to your hands and knees. Shift your weight to your knees. Step 1 foot forward and come up to standing, getting ready to go to the top of your mat again. So what's going to make this session really effective is the fact that we're using a little bit of PNF technique to our stretching. And what is PNF technique? That is essentially working on contracting the muscles that we are actively trying to release, okay, and stretch. So we're going to start just standing with your feet nice and parallel. It's a nice strong samastiti position here. So just think about lengthening through the back, all the way up through the crown of the head, shoulders pulling down by reaching your fingertips down to the mat. Inhale, arms reach up towards the ceiling. On your exhale, start by bending your knees slightly as you forward fold. Really work on hinging forward from your hips, not your back. Inhale, slide your hands to your thighs. Now, when you do this, I want you to actively press the balls of your feet into the mat. And you should feel the muscles in the back of your leg tighten even more. Hold it there, breathe, 2, 3 breaths. Good. On the next exhale, release down again, bending the knees slightly. Inhale, come all the way up by opening your arms out to the sides. Exhale, release the arms. So every time you do this, you should start to feel that back of your legs releasing a little bit more. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, slide your hands to your thighs. Press into the balls of your feet. Let's make it a little bit tougher. Make that whole posterior chain work harder by opening your arms out to the side. Now imagine you're pressing your head, your shoulders, your arms into a wall. Okay, so get those muscles to activate as well. Take a nice deep breath. Exhale, bend those knees, release everything down. Inhale, open your arms out to the sides to come up. Exhale, release down. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Actively press the balls of the feet as you straighten those legs. Let's already immediately open the arms out to the side. Okay, if you want an extra challenge, you can even bring your arms up by your ears, but imagine you're pressing your back, your shoulders. You will really feel those back muscles, so feel free to change the arm positions as needed. Nice inhale. Exhale, bend those knees, release. Let's hold it here for one breath this time. And on that inhale, open your arms out to the side. Come all the way up to standing. Exhale, release the arms down. How did the back of the legs feel? Okay, let's go. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. This time we're going to step the left leg back, come down onto that left knee, press the top of your foot firmly into the mat. When you press it down, you will start to feel the thigh muscle contracting. Inhale, keep pressing that back foot into the mat, arms reach up. Hold it here for a breath. Good. On the next exhale, straighten the front leg. Press that heel into the mat as if you're trying to kick this leg behind you. Okay, that gets that whole back of your leg turned on once again. And then reach where you can. That doesn't involve you rounding your back to get there. So hinging from your hips again with a nice straight spine, wherever you're able to reach on your legs, not on your knees, and hold it there and breathe. Next inhale, arms are going to reach up again. Press that back foot into the mat firmly. Exhale, both hands down, step the front foot back into downward dog. Ooh, that downward dog. The first one is always a bit of a challenge, especially if you tend to be quite tight in the back of your legs. But bear with me, it's going to loosen up as we go. Bend those knees a little bit, and then just slowly straighten the legs. And one more time, bend both knees a little bit, and slowly straighten the legs. When you're ready, step the left foot forward between the hands. This time the right knee goes down. Press the top of the right foot into the mat. Inhale, arms reach up. So keep pressing. That will make all the difference in how you stretch the hip flexors on that right side and your thigh muscles. Arms reach up. Breathe. That will also prevent you from just sinking into your joints here and sinking and overstretching your ligaments. Okay, on the next exhale, straighten that front leg. Remember, we're pressing the heel into the mat as if we're trying to kick this leg back. And with a nice straight back, hinging forward at your hip, you're reaching wherever you're able to go. Okay, flex that foot. The more you flex, the more you're going to feel it. So control it. You don't want to be at a pain scale of 10 here, on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the most painful, right? You want to be somewhere that's moderate and where it's sustainable. On the next inhale, press that back foot again into the mat, reach the arms up. Exhale, both hands down, bring the back foot forward. Open your arms out to the sides with a nice straight back. We come up. Exhale, arms release. Again. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step the left foot back, knee goes down, press the top of your foot into the mat, arms reach up. Stay for one breath. Keep pressing that back foot into the mat, pressing the front foot as well. On an exhale, we straighten the front leg, we press that heel into the mat, and then reach forward on your leg. See if you've gained a little bit of distance since the first time that you did it. You might be pleasantly surprised. On the next inhale, press the back foot into the mat. Let's come back, reaching the arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, hands down, step the front foot back for downward dog. Notice how your second downward dog feels. Is it a little bit looser back there? Nice deep breaths in position. Next inhale, we're stepping the left foot forward between the hands. That right knee goes down. Press the top of your foot into the mat and reach those arms up. Next exhale, we're straightening that front leg, pressing that heel, and just reaching down as far as you're able to go. Remember, optional to flex more or less. On the following inhale, press the back foot into the mat, reach the arms up towards the ceiling again, and exhale, hands go down, step the feet together at the top, open your arms out to the sides and come up. Exhale, release down. One more time for this sequence. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step the left foot back. Foot presses into the mat as the arms reach up on the inhale. Exhale, we straighten that front leg. You're pressing the heel into the mat. If you really have a hard time balancing here, you can always take 2 blocks, some books, any kind of support to just place your hands on, and that can sometimes make the difference for you. Good. On the next inhale, press the back foot into the mat, reach the arms up. Exhale into your downward dog. Oh, that one should be feeling great at this point. Okay, so just enjoy it, lengthen, keep reaching your shoulders away from the ears. Nice deep breath. Next inhale, the left foot steps forward between the hands. Opposite knee goes down. Press the top of your foot into the mat. Inhale, arms reach up. Next exhale, straightening the front leg, pressing that heel into the mat and just reaching forward as far down as you're able to go. Next inhale, press the back foot into the mat, arms reach up. And on the exhale, hands come down. Bring your feet together at the top. Inhale to come up. Exhale to release the arms down. Okay, we've been giving the back of our legs a lot of love. Now it's time to work a little bit more on your quads. So you may need a yoga belt or a strap for this one. Or if your challenge on this one is not so much grabbing your foot, but balancing, feel free to go against the wall to start off with to help you get into position, or have a chair in front of you to support yourself, okay? We're going to be working on dancer's pose. So we're going to start with that left leg, since this is the one we've been starting with all along. With your thumb pressing up, so this is the left hand, thumb pressing up towards the ceiling, take the inside of your foot, so into the arch, okay? So you'll notice you're right because that thumb keeps pressing up towards the ceiling. Start off by squaring yourself to the direction that you're facing. Legs come together, opposite arm reaches out in front of you. Then you want to lift the thigh up as far as you're able to go. Once you're at the height that is sustainable for you, then actively push into your hand with the top of your foot. That's where you're going to start to feel the challenge in the work. Okay, stay there, keep breathing, just stay focused. Let's slowly bring that in. Release the foot and place it down. Okay, same thing on the other side. So now the right thumb presses up towards the ceiling, inside of the foot, so I'm grabbing right into the arch. Bring the legs together, everything is squaring to the direction that I'm facing. Lift the thigh up, and when you're ready, push into your hand with the foot. And just breathe. And slowly bring it back. Let go of your foot. This is also a great stretch for those shoulders. Let's finish off on the mat. All right, let's just calm the energy down a little bit. This is a good way for you to also check how flexible your hamstrings are, if any of the work that we've just done has paid off. Okay, so the knees are bent, your hands on top of the knees. As you inhale, stretch those legs up towards the ceiling, flexing the feet, arms reach up and back. Exhale and bring everything in. So be careful here. If you do have a lot of tightness in the back of your thighs, and to stretch your legs, you have to be down here somewhere. This could be quite straining on your back. So in that case, just keep the knees a little bit bent, okay? We don't want the work to be in your back. We're trying to just get some release in the legs, some opening into the chest. Come back with your hands on your knees and inhale, reach the legs up, lift the arms up and back. And exhale to release everything. And let's do this 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Last time. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, just keep your hands on your knees for a moment. Take 1 more breath here. Exhale just to release any remaining tension you might have in your body. And then turn to your side. Press yourself up to a seated position. That's it. Well done. You did it. Quick, and hopefully you will find that it was very effective. Practice this a couple of times to 3 times a week at least, and you should really be able to notice the difference of the flexibility in your legs. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this session. Subscribe. Hit that little bell so you're notified anytime that I post a new video. And that's it for now. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.